I am the legal director of the Montana Innocence Project, and my name is Caiti Carpenter. Oh, it's like those really silly, playful moments that are like sloppy and weird and like it's the moments where Cece comes up and I think I'm getting a sweet, nice, like beautiful little peck, and she just comes up and raspberries and spits all over my face as she's doing it. And I'm just like, this is not what I asked for. This was not what I was expecting. And yet it is the most adorable thing. And I will accept it. And it is better than what I could have ever come up with. The power that you have as a mom is so boundless. And in some ways, that's really scary because I mean, like I've seen in movies before, like people saying like, I would do anything for my kid. And when you actually realize what that means, that's really scary because you're just like, I actually would do anything. And so in my work, when I'm on the phone with a mom, I now have an acute awareness of what this means to them because that's their son and that's their daughter and they're going to do anything. And that's just, it makes my work incredibly meaningful to me, and I feel so privileged to be given that trust. It makes me more open-minded, right? Like my perception of how to address an issue may be entirely wrong. I have been taught that over and over again by my daughter that like, oh, you think that I should go to sleep now? Nope. Like, you think that I should have Cheerios? Turns out I don't want Cheerios. So like those sort of like small moments do kind of like leach their way into how I approach an application. Is that I see it from a bunch of different things, and I'm a lot more open to and humble to like other people's perspectives. We're taught in law school to be incredibly analytical and apply the rule, analyze it and come to a conclusion. And that's great for like putting together a concise argument, but it turns out in like the messy part of law where you actually don't have a concise curated fact pattern, that you've got to bring in all of that stuff and look at it really holistically and bring in as many perspectives as you possibly can while still like, efficiently processing the material. We're just so much better as a team. That's what I've kind of learned from being a mom and how it's impacted, is that like I can't do anything alone. I'm now a part of a group that's like holding on with both hands to a nuclear reactor of energy and power and force. And I get to walk into that and say, like, I'm gonna fight for your kid because your kid deserves that level of attention and devotion. And what we've done as a criminal legal system is horrendous.